Hello everyone, today we're here with a video where we review the best washing machines. We'll take a detailed look at 5 different washing machines. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for a video filled with detailed reviews and technical specifications to help you find the washing machine that best suits your needs. Number 1. General Electric UltraFresh. Thanks to the unique design of this machine, the unpleasant musty smell in front-loading washers may be a thing of the past. When your laundry is finished, the machine has a venting option that automatically dries the door seal and the inside to prevent water from pooling inside. The machine pulls in outside air to dry the interior, while the drum spins intermittently. The door gasket, dispenser drawer, and other internal components are also treated with Microban, an additive that helps prevent mold formation. When we tested it, we found that the drum and door seal were completely dry after a full vent cycle. However, since the full cycle takes 8 hours, it's best to run this feature after your last load of the day or overnight. In addition to this unique technology, the washer is packed with other enviable features, including Smart Dispense bulk detergent dispensing. All you have to do is select the cycle, and the washer automatically adds the correct amount of detergent. We found that liquid detergent is easy to fill without spilling, and it can hold up to 50 ounces at a time. Additionally, the machine has steam cycles, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a one-step wash and dry option that washes and air dries a small load overnight. In our tests, we found the wash cycles to be speedy and very effective, cleaning our cotton and polyester stain swatches in both warm and cold water. Even the quick wash cycle removed a set-in stain in just 20 minutes. When it comes to technical specifications, the UltraFresh vent system with odor block is the first and only system that eliminates excess moisture to help prevent odors, ensuring your washer stays fresh and clean. The General Electric UltraFresh washer comes with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to start, stop, and monitor your laundry from anywhere while receiving real-time notifications and updates. Thanks to our patented dynamic balancing technology, the machine senses and rebalances uneven loads during the spin cycle, providing a quiet wash. The reversible door allows for superior installation flexibility, and the power steam feature safely penetrates deep into fabric fibers, loosening stains to deliver enhanced cleaning performance. If you want more from your washing machine, the General Electric UltraFresh could be the perfect option for you. With its cleaning performance, ease of use, and practical technologies, it will make your laundry days more enjoyable. Number 2. Maytag Top Load. We can recommend this top-loading washing machine as a reliable and efficient option. Even though it has a center agitator, you won't feel any compromise in capacity. The machine can handle over 5 cubic feet of laundry, more than enough for the average family. In fact, it's so deep that some reviewers say it can be difficult to reach those last few items. From an operational standpoint, we like the clear control panel. It was easy to understand and very responsive to touch. Plus, you can control your laundry from anywhere using the machine's optional smart functionality. This model is energy-saving and efficient, but if you need to, you can add more water with the deep fill option, a feature that's very helpful for extremely soiled clothes, like kids' muddy sports gear. For extra dirty loads like these, there's also a power wash cycle. On the other hand, if you need an outfit quickly, say, a school uniform your kid forgot to launder, Rapid Wash trims wash time to under 30 minutes. When it comes to technical specifications, Maytag's Power Wash cycle delivers the most powerful cleaning in its class with the heavy-duty cycle. Remember, some stains dissolve best in hot water, while others in cold. With just the push of a button, Maytag fights both in a single load. The extra power button boosts stain-fighting performance on any wash cycle with dual-temperature wash. Choose the deep fill option to add more water according to your needs. The deep fill option works with robust wash action to effectively break down and rinse away everyday tough messes. You can control functions like remote start or stop, receive end-of-cycle notifications, and troubleshoot specific issues using the Maytag app. The built-in water faucet is designed for extra dirty loads. You can use it to rinse away loose soils as clothes go in or fill the tub for up to a 3-hour soak before the cycle begins. Delay the start of the wash cycle to take loads straight from soaking to washing without coming back to the washer. Feel free to contact us for more information about Maytag's UltraFresh washing machine. This machine will make your laundry days more enjoyable with its cleaning performance, ease of use, and advanced technology. Number 3. Speed Queen Top Load TR7. If you're looking to fit a reliable and efficient laundry machine into a tight space, take note of this option's compact design, which can easily fit into cramped areas. Yes, it's a top loader, but programming it with your choice of temperature, soil level, and load size selections is quite easy. Additionally, it comes equipped with 8 special cycles, and you can customize your own preset favorites and repeat them with just the press of a button. This machine is super quiet, and it has a delay start setting that allows you to program it to wash at your convenience, even overnight. Overall, we believe this top-loading machine is a solid choice, and the 7-year warranty reinforces our confidence in it. Whether you have a sleeping baby, a nervous dog, or team calls from your home office, there are plenty of reasons to prefer a quiet atmosphere at home. We understand this, and we ensure that our machines comply by producing only 43 dB of noise during agitation. Get customized results using special cycles designed specifically for heavily soiled items, denim, whites, athletic clothing, and more. With commercial components and technology that others can't match, Speed Queen washing machines have a sturdy suspension, ensuring that all cycles are completed. You won't have to go to the laundry room anymore and find the washer walked to a new location. Number 4. LG Signature. We've tested enough LG front-loading washing machines and similar models in our lab to confidently recommend this model. It's a feature that will reduce the weekly laundry chores for very large families and save both space and energy. The Mega Capacity Washer also boasts a total of 14 wash programs. You can choose from presets like Normal, Permanent Press, Delicate, Speed Wash, Heavy Duty, Towels, and more. Additionally, it has 13 additional features, including a child lock, remote start, and Wi-Fi connectivity, as well as 4 spin speeds ranging from no spin to extra high, and 5 soil levels. According to the manufacturer, the machine has sensors that detect the size and weight of your load to adjust the wash time and water level for optimal results. Although purchasing both the washer and the pedestal comes with a rather high price tag, the extra capacity justifies this additional expense for large families. Now you can wash a king-size comforter and a full set of bedding in a single load. With the combination of this LG front-loading washing machine and the LG Sidekick, you'll have a total of 6.8 cubic feet of washing capacity, providing you with more space for cleaning. With its new satin smooth finish, the LG Signature Black stainless surface has the classic appeal of traditional stainless steel, but with its own contemporary character. For easier loading, the ergonomic angled door not only reduces bending and reaching, but is also the secret behind the stylish, contoured front design. The electronic control panel is perfectly integrated into the door for a unique style and intuitive functionality. Cut your wash time by up to 30 minutes with LG's advanced Turbo Wash technology, while washing large loads with the same great cleaning performance. Enjoy the luxury of convenience with LG Smart ThinQ technology, which allows you to remotely manage key features. Number 5. Samsung Bespoke Smart. This washer is a larger, updated version of a previous model we've tested, with many of the same smart features and top-notch performance that earn it a spot on this list. One such feature is OptiWash, which automatically detects the soil levels on your clothes and adjusts to add more time or detergent if needed. The smart front loader can also be paired with an app that we found easy to use with features like remotely starting and stopping the wash, scheduling wash cycles, receiving alerts when the cycle is done, and more. In our tests, we were impressed that after using the washer a few times, it learned our favorite wash cycle settings. No programming required. Not only did the washing machine do a great job cleaning, but it was quiet as well. Not to mention, the drum is treated with an antimicrobial to help keep the washing machine smelling fresher longer. The Self Clean Plus feature will also alert you when it's time for a cleaning. Also worth noting, the matching dryer can be installed stacked or side by side. If you do stack them, you can set the dryer right from the washer's control panel, so you don't have to take out a stool. And as part of Samsung's top-of-the-line bespoke appliances, it comes in the high-fashion colors of forest green, brushed navy, and silver steel. You won't find it, however, in basic black or white. Bespoke design, intelligent wash laundry reimagined with a clean, flat panel design and AI-powered features that simplify your cleaning routine. Ultra capacity lets you wash more items in a single load, meaning fewer loads, less time in the laundry room, and more time doing the things you love. AI OptiWash takes the guesswork out of cycle selection by automatically detecting what's in the load and how dirty clothes are, and adjusting wash time and detergent as needed during the cycle. Skip adding detergent each time with our auto dispense system, which conveniently stores and automatically dispenses up to 32 loads of detergent and softener. Wash a full load in just 28 minutes without sacrificing cleaning performance, and achieve a complete wash and dry in under an hour when paired with a super speed dryer. The inside of the washer is treated with antimicrobial technology to help keep it smelling fresh. The self-clean feature cleans the inside of your washer and will also remind you when it is time for a cleaning. And that's it. In today's video, we reviewed the best washing machines on the market. We hope we helped you find the model that best suits your needs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more videos. See you next time.